You are in 60 plus series for ABM, BFM and retail. So ABM and BFM over now, only retail. Okay. So what we'll be doing today is we'll be solving a case study on rent calculations. This case study comes many a times in exam. Okay. So this case study is very important and it's generally for 5 marks. So focus for complete. Okay. Watch the video till the end. Okay. Firstly, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you'll be getting all the study material, premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, live video lectures. Plus, you'll get notes. Plus, you'll get question banks. Plus, you'll get tests. So everything is available. Okay. Basically, I'll tell you, don't take retail lightly. Okay. Okay. Subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you'll be getting all the updates. You'll be getting the free series. You'll be getting the marathons. Everything you'll be getting it over here. So subscribe to it immediately. Press the bell icon. Let's start. Okay. This new batch of retail has come up already. Okay. From December 5th, means today only. So join this batch immediately. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. It's there in the morning also. 7 to 8 and 8 to 10. So 3 hours batch is there. Okay. Let's start with the topic. Yeah. Simple, not simple actually, logical case study. I won't call it simple because it's not that simple. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So what is the case? A newly constructed building stands on the plot costing, what is this, 1 lakh. Okay. Costing rupees 1 lakh. The construction cost of the building is rupees 20 lakhs, right? Yeah. So construction cost is 20 lakhs and estimated life of the building is 66 years. Okay, clear this concept up till now? Type yes if you have understood it. Means you have got this. What is the problem actually? See here, 1 lakh, 20 lakh construction cost and estimated life of the building is 66 years. The investor wants 5% return on the land cost and 8% on the construction cost. Remember, whenever you get the rent of anywhere, even you might be having some flat somewhere, right? Some house you might have given on rent. Okay. So what do we expect always from that rent? One, the return on the land cost in that area. Plus you expect the return on the construction cost. So same thing this guy is also expecting. Okay. Investor wants 5% return on the land cost and 8% on the construction cost. Calculate the annual rent. Okay. If to be charged, if annual repairs cost is 0.5% of the construction cost of construction, other outgoings are equal to 30% of the gross rent. The coefficient of sinking fund at 3% for 66 years is to be taken as 0.005. Okay. Yeah. So look at all these 6 points. Okay. One, this plot cost. Second, construction cost. Second, life of the building. Investor wants the returns. Repairs cost. Then outgoings cost. Regular outgoings. Okay. Sinking fund cost. Okay. So these are the important points which you have to focus. Okay. Firstly, have you got the question? What do you want from this? From this full problem, what do we actually want to calculate? Yes, calculate annual rent. Rent is what we want to write in the comment section. Okay, we want to get rent. Okay, so let's start here. To start any problem, first you have to check what is the attacks here. Problem is always in any case study it is attack and defense. Attack and defense. So what is the attack now? Look at the attack part. Return on the land cost is what? 5% expected. 5% on what? This is 1 lakh. So what I want, if I am the investor, firstly I'll fix up what do I want. I want 5% on the land cost. So 5,000 I want it. This is annual, isn't it? I want this annual. Yes, here 5% return on the land cost and 8% on the construction cost. This is for annual. Okay. So this is the annual thing I want. Okay. Return on the construction cost, what do I want? 6% on what is this? 20 lakhs? Yeah, 20 lakhs. Okay. So it is what? Calculated 6% on 20 lakhs is, am I right in this? 1,20,000. Okay. Got it? So, clear? This is the return I want. If I am the investor, I want this on the construction, this on the land. So what is my total? I want 1,25,000 annually to get the return from that whatever flat or property I might be having. So this becomes an attack. Okay, this is the attack. Attack means what do I want, what is my target, and now we'll go to the defense. So what have we to do? We have to do just attack equals to defense. So what is the defense now? Let's see. Let the gross annual rent be R. Okay. So now we'll consider it R. Okay. So what is given in that problem? In that problem, the investor wants here, attack is over here. Now we want this defense. Annual, what is that? Annual repairs cost is 0.5% on the construction, and other outgoings are 30% of the gross rent. Okay. Focus on these 2 points now. Okay. And last point I'll come to it later. Okay. So now annual repairs is what? 0.5% of what? 0.5% of construction cost. See this, it's given over here on the cost of construction. So 0.5% on the cost of construction. Okay. So 0.5% on 20 lakhs, right? So how much is it? 0.5%. Okay. So it is what? 0.5 upon 100 into this. So if you multiply this, done, and this becomes what? 10,000. Correct? Everyone okay? 10,000. Just calculate it, everyone. I might be wrong. See here, in the hasteness of doing the calculations, even even the best batsman gets out on the simple ball, isn't it? Same logic applies over here. So 0.5% of 20 lakhs equals to 10,000. Got it? Okay. So then other outgoings. So what are the other outgoings even? 30% of R. So 30% of the annual rent. That is what is asked, right? 30% of the annual rent. Okay, let's calculate this one by one now. See here, even I'll calculate, because what happens if I may be wrong, then everyone will point out, sir, this calculation is wrong. 0.5 upon 100 into, what is that? 20 lakhs? 20, it is 10,000. Okay, that is correct. Okay. Second part, outgoings 30% of the annual rent. So 30% of R. So 30% of R means what? 0.3 into R. Percent means upon 100. So 0.3 into R. Okay. Now the third part, sinking fund. Annual amount towards the sinking fund is what? 0.005 into 20 lakhs. Why? What is given over here? Look at this sinking fund cost. The coefficient of sinking fund is taken as fund at 3% for 66 years, may be taken as 0.005. So this, now tell me one thing, sinking fund means what? It's a like of depreciation. Okay, depreciation is a sinking fund. So when I say sinking fund, it will be on land cost, property cost, means plot cost, or will it be on the construction cost? Who can give me the answer? Will this sinking fund be on the plot, or will this sinking fund be on the construction? Yeah, fast. This is a logical answer, isn't it? It will be obviously on construction. Why? Because will the land, property, plot, will it sink? Means will it depreciate? No, property always appreciates. What depreciates is construction, right? So it becomes 0.005 into 20 lakhs, it becomes 10,000, right? Okay. So now, hence my net income is what? Whatever R I will be getting here, I will be getting from that customer what? Only simple R. That person will pay me this rent. He'll tell me adjust anything. I don't care for what do you adjust. Okay. So how will I adjust it now? So R minus this is outgoing. So minus what? This 10,000 minus 0.3 R, this regular outgoing, and minus this sinking fund. So R minus 10 minus 0.3 R minus 10. So it becomes R minus 0.3 R minus 20. Isn't it? Isn't it clear? Is it clear up till now? Type yes in the comment section if it is clear. R minus 0.3 R minus 20,000. How did this 20,000 come over here? 10 over here and 10 over here. 20,000. How did this 0.3 R come over here? This. And why is this minus not plus? Because this is a rent which I will be getting from that customer, and all these are going out from my pocket. Okay. So this is my net rent then. Whatever is coming in minus this all whatever is outgo. Okay. So let's calculate this as B. See, this is my defense, right? This is my source of income, and that is my target, right? This is my target, 1,25,000 annual. Clear? Clear? Now attack is clear, defense is clear. So what do we do now? Equate A and B. Attack equals to defense. So let's equate this. R minus 0.3 R. What is this? R minus 0.3 R. It becomes 0.7 R, right? So 0.7 R minus 20,000. So 0.7 R minus 20,000 equals to what? 1,25,000, isn't it? This is my attack and this is my defense, isn't it? So 0.7 R becomes what? Take 20,000 on the other side, it becomes 125 plus 20, right? So 0.7 R equals to 145,000, of course all the three zeros, okay? So what is R now? R equals to 145 upon 0.7, okay? So it is what? Divide this, you will get it as 207142, okay? Is everyone getting the same answer here? I won't give you the answer, because what happens? I might be wrong over here, because when I do the calculations, it may happen that somewhere else I might be looking. In exam also, we always get hit on the simple ball, okay? So what I would suggest is do the calculations, give me the answer if this is the same, okay? It is R equals to 145,000 upon 0.7 equals to 207142. So this is the annual rent. This is what I require. So what will I be charging to the customer? This is annual. So per month I will charge what? 207,142 upon 17,262. Means upon 12, obviously. Upon 12. So you will get it as 17,262, right? So for per month I will be charging him 17,262 from the customer, okay? So that was a rent calculation basically. Always remember this case study comes for roughly 5 marks, okay? Rent calculation. And it's a difficult one. If you understand it, it's very easy. Now for everyone it's easy, isn't it? But before that, when we started the problem, did anyone feel that it's so easy? No, right? Because the point is, everything when you get explained, when you understand, then the things become easy, isn't it? Chalo, yeah. So before leaving now, this retail batch which has come up from today itself, December 5th, morning 7 to 8 am and evening 8 to 10 pm. Join this batch ASAP. Now how to join, what are the discounts, I'll show you everything over here, okay? See this, go to Adda 24/7. This, if you are having the app, I would say go to the app, okay? You'll get 1% extra, okay, discount. Otherwise on website also you'll be getting, see here, I'll show you the discounts which you are getting. Go to Adda 24/7, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. You'll get all the exams over here. Click on this CAIIB November December English batch. Okay. Now you'll see all the batches over here. Now BFM is over, everything is over, isn't it? Only retail is remaining. Click on the retail. 50 case study batch. It's actually not a case study, it's a revision batch. Okay. We cover all the revision over there. So 10 plus hours of two-way interactive classes, ebooks are available, detailed subject-wise expertise, recorded videos are available, English medium classes, and for December, okay? You can read the highlights over here. Everything you can, at your ease, you can read it. Now I'll talk about the fees. 3599 is the fees. What you do is click on view offers. Once you click on view offer, just put the code Y432, okay? Y432. Now click on apply. See, you have got 80% off is going on. 3599 has been reduced to 719. And events, see here, ABM BFM is clear. So retail is a bit easier, but don't take it lightly. So once you clear this CAIIB retail, so understand what will happen. Once you clear this retail, you will get 1000 at least increment. So this will be recorded in how many months? 1 month, okay? So go for it immediately, okay? So before going, I'll again tell you about the May 23 exam which is coming up. See this, May 23 exam has, the portion of that exam is 4 compulsory subjects, ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL, legal, okay? And this is ABFM, new, these are the 2 new topics, okay? So these 4 compulsory topics plus electives, all the 5 electives, rural, HR, IT, central banking and risk. Then there is a negative marking, okay? There is also a subjective question which is not, I have not mentioned. So that's why I say if you have cleared ABM, BFM, just clear retail and clear the CAIIB, okay? I'll be back.